Hello everyone, welcome back to TPM Learning Series. Today we will be talking about promotion templates in TPM Overview. Promotion templates are the structural blueprint used to create promotions in Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud TPM. Instead of configuring every promotion manually, organizations define templates that standardize the entire promotion structure. A promotion template defines what KPIs will be used, how products are selected, what promotion tactics are allowed, and how financial calculations are executed. This ensures every promotion follows a consistent model across the enterprise. Why promotion templates are critical. In large consumer goods companies, thousands of promotions are executed every year across different retailers and channels. Without templates, every promotion would require manual configuration of KPIs, tactics, and products. Templates reduce manual effort and ensure governance. They also guarantee that financial calculations such as trade spend, revenue, and ROI are always calculated using consistent logic. Template versus promotion instance. It is important to distinguish between a promotion template and a promotion instance. The template acts as a blueprint. A promotion instance is the actual promotion created by a planner using that blueprint. For example, a temporary price reduction template may be reused hundreds of times to create actual promotions across multiple customers. Promotion template architecture. A promotion template contains several core components. These include KPI sets, product definition policies, tactic templates, and calculation scopes. Together, these elements define how promotions behave in the system. When a planner creates a promotion using a template, all these rules are automatically applied. Template components. The promotion template defines how the promotion object behaves. It determines the product selection logic, the financial calculation framework, and the governance rules. This configuration ensures that promotions remain standardized across regions, business units, and planning teams. KPI sets explained. KPI sets define the financial and operational metrics used during promotion planning. These metrics include baseline volume, incremental volume, trade spend, net revenue, and return on investment. These KPIs form the promotion profit and loss structure used to evaluate promotion performance. Promotion P&L structure. The promotion P&L calculates the financial performance of the promotion. Revenue is calculated using forecasted volume and pricing. Trade spend is calculated using tactic investments. Finally, the system computes profitability metrics such as margin contribution and ROI. Example: a promotion might generate $500,000 in revenue while spending $80,000 in trade investment. This allows planners to evaluate whether the promotion is financially beneficial. Product definition policy. The product definition policy determines how products behave within the promotion. There are two modes: static and dynamic. This configuration determines whether the promotion product list remains fixed or changes automatically based on product availability. Static product policy. In static mode, the product list is locked when the promotion is created. Even if product assortments change later, the promotion product list remains unchanged. This ensures financial stability and prevents unexpected changes in promotion calculations. Dynamic product policy. In dynamic mode, the promotion automatically updates its product list when assortments change. If a new product is added to the assortment, it may automatically become part of the promotion. This is useful for organizations with frequently changing product portfolios. Shipment freeze logic. To prevent late product changes from affecting financial forecasts, dynamic promotions often freeze product lists at the shipment start date. Once this freeze occurs, the promotion product list becomes fixed. Product selection methods. Products can be selected in several ways. Manual selection allows planners to pick individual products. Product hierarchy selection allows planners to include entire categories or brands. Assortments automatically define which products are available for a specific customer. Promotion tactic templates. Tactic templates define the mechanics of the promotion. Examples include temporary price reductions, display allowances, rebates, and volume incentives. Each tactic defines how trade spend is calculated. Tactic financial calculations. Two primary tactic types exist: fixed spend tactics and variable spend tactics. Fixed spend tactics represent lump sum investments. Variable spend tactics depend on volume, such as a $2 rebate per unit sold. Example: a promotion may offer $10,000 for in-store displays, or $1 discount per unit sold. Time dimension in templates. Promotions are planned using time buckets. Most TPM implementations use weekly planning. However, financial reporting may require monthly aggregation. Templates define how time dimensions are applied in promotion calculations. Promotion lifecycle alignment. Promotion templates align with the promotion lifecycle. The lifecycle typically includes draft, approved, execution, and closed phases. Templates ensure the structure remains consistent throughout this lifecycle. Example: temporary price reduction. Consider a temporary price reduction promotion. The promotion offers a 10% price discount for 4 weeks. The system calculates expected incremental volume, trade spend, and ROI automatically using the configured template. Enterprise governance. In most organizations, promotion templates are controlled by administrators. This ensures that planners cannot create promotions with inconsistent financial calculations. Templates maintain governance and financial discipline. Common implementation issues. Common mistakes include incorrect KPI configurations, misconfigured tactic templates, and improper use of dynamic product policies. These errors can distort financial forecasts and lead to inaccurate promotion performance analysis. Key takeaways. Promotion templates are the foundation of promotion planning in TPM. They standardize promotion configuration, ensure financial accuracy, and enforce governance across large organizations. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks, everyone.